This material is provided for educational purposes only and is based on publicly available safety research and industry fatality reviews. The information presented here does not replace site-specific and/or equipment-specific training, policies, or procedures. This video looks at blind spots and movement hazards around solid waste collection vehicles. We'll focus on front loaders, automated side loaders, and rear loader trucks, and explain why moving in and around these vehicles continues to be one of the most dangerous aspects of solid waste work. One of the leading causes of serious injuries and fatalities in the solid waste industry involves workers on foot being struck, run over, or pinned by collection vehicles. These incidents most often happen during routine tasks, backing, repositioning, pulling forward, or working close to the truck, when visibility is limited and assumptions are made. Blind spots are areas around a vehicle where the driver or operator cannot see because of the size, shape, and design of the equipment. Every solid waste vehicle has blind spots, even with mirrors, cameras, and technology. And each type of truck has different blind spot patterns. Let's start with commercial front-load garbage trucks. These trucks lift large dumpsters using forks at the front of the vehicle and dump material into a hopper located directly behind the cab. Front-load danger zones are tied to visibility and movement. Like most heavy-duty trucks, workers can be hidden by the equipment and the angle of the cab. From above, you can see that blind spots exist at the front corners, along the passenger side, and behind the truck. Typically, mirrors don't cover close-in angles. Workers standing close to the forks or cab may be completely hidden from the driver's view. And the enclosed rear body blocks visibility directly behind the vehicle. Workers close to the front drop below the operator's sightline. Automated side loaders introduce a different challenge. A single operator controls both the vehicle and the hydraulic arm. As the arm extends, lifts, and retracts, blind spots and danger zones shift rapidly. This is where people get in trouble. The operator is focused on the collection and may not see workers on foot. From above, the arm creates its own operating envelope, and it can block sightlines as it moves. This is where people get into trouble, standing near the truck because it feels routine, while the arm cycles creates a moving hazard zone. Rear-load garbage trucks often place workers closest to the vehicle. Collection happens at the rear, which means workers on foot are frequently positioned in areas where visibility is most limited. That's why rear-load operations require the most discipline around movement. When the truck moves, especially backing, the rear zone becomes one of the most dangerous places in the industry. Fatality reviews show that many rear-load incidents occur directly behind the truck. These events often happen during slow-speed backing or repositioning, not high-speed travel. A worker may only be out of view for a moment, but that's all it takes. The most effective prevention strategies focus on awareness and communication. Workers should never assume they are seen. Operators and crews must confirm visibility before movement. Distance should be maintained whenever the truck is moving, and surprises near the vehicle must be eliminated. Even though it's always best to separate workers on foot from moving vehicles, there are times when interaction is necessary. When those moments occur, understanding blind spots, maintaining communication, and controlling movement can mean the difference between a close call and a fatal incident. Awareness saves lives, and it starts with understanding what the operator cannot see.